How to add portfolio in Upwork for beginners. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add a portfolio in Upwork. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. What I suggest to you is that once you have created your account, you're going to have your username in the right panel. So I'm going there in order to show you. I've been doing some works here, and there you have some like recommendations and so I'm going to scroll down and more and more and more until I find my portfolio. By now I just have one, but you can add more if you want. So I'm going to click in the plus symbol and I'm going just to complete all these 4 steps in order to upload my portfolio. So you just have to fill all this data, project title, related specialized profile, it is optional, or Upwork job, it is optional too, and the completion date, okay? That's optional too. So I'm going to enter a brief but descriptive title about what I'm doing right now. So I don't know, like record YouTube videos, let's suppose, and I can go and select my template. So there are different types of how you can display your portfolio to your clients. So this is just your I don't know, I like the gallery, let's suppose. I'm going to add the details into gallery. So here I must to add at least one file or video link to my project. So you can drag and drop your file or add a video link here. Just type also the skills and deliverables. This is optional as well. And the project URL, optional, but the project description is quite important. This is where you're going to describe what you did on the project. So just be really specific about it. And once you have completed all this data, click and go to preview. So this is my preview. This is the video I uploaded, my description, the template, and so on. So you just have to click on publish and your new portfolio is going to be there in that same place. Also, you can edit your portfolio from here, or you can delete it if you want and change the order that you want to show your different portfolios to the clients you're going to obtain. So by now I'm just going to delete this, and that's how you can do it. I forgot to tell you that the classic template, when you're selecting a template, it is important if you want to upload documents or spreadsheets besides images or videos, okay? So this is gonna be important because here you can upload PDF files, Word files. So this is gonna be your portfolio too, okay? That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.